Morris-Water maze is a widely used behavioral test in neuroscience to assess spatial learning and memory. The apparatus consists of a large circular pool filled with water, which is turned opaque using food dye or milk powder. A platform is submerged at approximately 1 or 2 centimeters below the surface of the opaque water to become hidden. The test is based on the ability of rodents like rats or mice to learn and remember the location of a hidden platform using spatial cues. So visual cues such as colored shapes must be used so that the animal can rely on them to learn and memorize the location of the hidden platform. The apparatus is virtually divided into 4 quadrants, namely, the target quadrant which contains the hidden platform, the opposite quadrant, east quadrant and west quadrant. These divisions are not physical barriers, rather there are 2 imaginary perpendicular lines like a plus shape used to divide the pool into 4 quadrants. A tracking software system such as any maze software is used to track the animal's movement in the pool during the acquisition trial and the probe trial. The acquisition trial in Morris-Water maze is the phase in which animals learn the location of the hidden platform. So the acquisition trial is used to evaluate spatial learning. In this phase, training of the animal takes place over 4 days as follows. First, place the animal into the water facing the wall starting with the opposite quadrant. Then, allow the animal 90 seconds to swim freely to find the hidden platform. Second, record the time taken by the animal to reach the hidden platform, which is called the escape latency. Then let the animal stay on the platform for 10 seconds, which helps consolidation of memory. Note that if the animal fails to find the platform, record the 90-second cutoff time as the escape latency. Then gently guide the animal to the platform and allow it to stay for 10 seconds on the platform. Repeat the trial for the same animal starting from different quadrants like the east, then the west, then the target quadrant, and each time record the escape latency. Finally, calculate the average escape latency for this animal by averaging the escape latencies from the 4 quadrants. Repeat the same procedure for the rest of the animals and repeat the same procedure over the 4 training days. Note that, over days, the escape latency should be decreased, indicating learning. The probe trial in Morris-Water maze is used to evaluate spatial memory after the acquisition or learning phase. In the probe trial, remove the platform from the target quadrant and place the animal in the opposite quadrant facing the wall. Allow the animal 60 seconds to swim freely and record the time spent in target quadrant. If the animal remembers, it will preferentially search the target quadrant where the platform was previously located. Therefore, spending more time in the target quadrant reflects good memory retention. To sum up, in the acquisition phase, the decreased escape latency over the 4-day trials indicates good learning. While in the probe trial, spending more time in the target quadrant reflects good memory retention.